know some words of magic? Let's learn them today. Let's learn some magical words. Come on, let's start. Please. Please. Please give me an ice cream. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this lovely gift. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, Papa, I hurt you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, is this the way to the park? May I? May I? May I come in, ma'am? You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for your help. Oh, you're welcome. So these were the magic words that I was talking about. Now let's play a quick recap game. So what magic word should we say if we hurt someone? Come on, take a guess before checking the answer. Yes, you guessed that correctly. It's sorry. Now here's a second question for you. What do we say when someone gives us a toy? Come on, take a guess while I count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. The correct answer is thank you. Yay! Magic words are kind and sweet, so let's use them when we meet. Practice your magic words every day. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. So for more such fun videos, be sure to check out other videos on our channel. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such fun learning. The links for our other videos are available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.